Hello everyone. So today I have brought a solution for you on how to convert your 720p video to 4K. First, you see this sample. So to make such a video, you will need an app whose name is Wink. At present, this app is not available in the Play Store of India. So if you want this app, then please tell me in the comment. I will provide you with the app link. The Wink app looks like this. Here, you have to click on the first option, Video Restoration. So there are 3 options given here. The first is HD, the second is Ultra HD, and the third is Portrait. The third one is a paid subscription, so we will use Ultra HD. After selecting Ultra HD, click on Try Now, and then select the video whose clarity you want to increase. Then the Wink app will take some time to increase the video quality. Here you can see the changes in the before and after videos. How much difference is there in this video? If you want to increase the quality of the video a little more, then follow the same process. I repeated this twice more to increase the quality of the video. Once you are satisfied with the video quality, we will need another app for color grading. For color grading, I will use the VN app. After starting the VN, you have to click on this icon, then click on New Project, and then select the video whose quality we increased. In this app, a watermark automatically appears at the end of the video, which I am removing. And after that, you have to click on the filter option. And then, by clicking on Adjust, you can grade the color as per your choice, so you can watch as per your convenience. Or after doing the final color grading, our video looks something like this. So I hope you liked this video. If you want to know how to convert a video to any language using AI, so you must watch this video. I will meet you there.